So my name is Nathaniel, I'm from Leicester. So my company's name is HomePlug and I'm the director. So the deal we've got here today is 2 new units, both at 1,300 a month, and they're both going to be used for service accommodation. Mainly this will be used for construction workers and also professional workers. So for this particular property, we haven't actually met the landlord in person. We was able to get these houses through an estate agency that we work really closely with. They've trusted us to take on 2 brand new builds. Yeah, so we've got a good working relationship with the estate agency, working with them for over a year now. So in total, we have, I think, 6 other properties with this estate agent. So we picked both of these units because they're in a key location, right near the city centre, train station, motorway, bus station, so it's in a key area in Leicester. So the negotiation was relatively easy for us because we've been working with the estate agency for quite a while. So the process on these 2 units was the estate agency actually contacted us and let us know that there's a new opportunity available and they wanted to know if we was interested. So we're going to be aiming these properties mainly at contractors, long-term professional workers as well. So for these 2 units, we'll be aiming to do SA. We pay a guaranteed rent of 1,300 per calendar month. We'll be looking to charge between £150 to £200 a night. On average, because this is a new build, we're hoping to average about £300 on the bills. So we're able to break even at 50% occupancy. Due to the standard that we're offering, we're able to raise the prices per night and achieve what we're asking for, basically. So this is the living room. As you can see, it's quite spacious, it's comfortable. We've decided to go for bright orange to bring some character and a warm feel into the room. We sourced the furniture from a company that we work with from Manchester. They come and they deliver everything and set it up for us, ready to go. So we're pretty hands off in terms of building things. By getting them to come and deliver and set it up themselves, it helps us with the turnaround time, allows us to get in and out quicker and on to the next one. So this one, it took us just under a week to set up. Obviously we had the 2 units to do at the same time, so it was a new challenge for us. So now moving on into the kitchen. As you can see again, everything's brand new. We've got the washer and dryer combined, brand new fridge, cooker, hob, lots of kitchen space, comfortable for guests to come in and feel at home. So we sourced the dining table set. It's something that we've realised guests like to have the space to actually sit and have dinner or sit and have a conversation on the table together. So it's something that we usually implement in majority of our essays. Okay, so now let's go have a look upstairs. So this is the first floor. On the first floor we've got 2 bedrooms and 1 main bathroom. Here as well we've also got a little storage cupboard. We probably won't use it for anything, but it's there if somebody does want to use it. These particular beds are zip linked. We decided to go for zip link beds throughout in both of these units. The reason why we decided to go for these particular beds is because it allows us to give our guests the options to have either 1 double bed or 2 singles, which will then allow us to increase our nightly price. So this is the main bathroom for both of the first 4 bedrooms. As you can see, it's really spacious, it's fresh, nice and modern, ready for the guests to use. Okay, let's go take a look at the master bedroom upstairs. Okay, so this is the master bedroom. As you can see, it's spacious, very comfortable for anybody that's wanting to come and stay. Okay, so I'm going to be changing these particular light bulbs because we prefer to go for the yellowy, warmer colour. We just feel like it gives a more of a relaxed vibe, especially in the bedrooms. We feel like the white light is a bit too cold. Okay, so this is the ensuite to the master bedroom. As you can see, it's got everything you need. Shower, toilet, sink. We've also had a lock put on this storage cupboard door. So this is where we'll be keeping all our cleaning products, our supplies, toilet papers, kitchenware, etc, etc. And yeah, we keep it away, ready for the cleaners to come in and use. So this is the garden space that we've got. We haven't got any chairs here at the moment, but we are planning to get some chairs before the guests arrive. So our first guests will arrive in tomorrow. Okay, if you follow me, we'll take a look at the car parking space. Okay, so this is the car parking space, which works out really handy for us. With it being so close to the city centre, we don't usually get free parking at our units, so this works out really handy for us. We've also got an area to store the dustbins, which again, being so close to the city centre is a great help to us to keep things nice and neat and tidy. Thanks for joining me on the tour of one of our 2 units. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks and see you soon.